Good day, everyone. Welcome again to my tutorial, to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create an ebook with AI free of charge without paying any dime on any platform. Don't forget, all this AI they offer free plan to some extent before they will ask you to pay for their packages. Like this website that I am now, this is fistmy.co. This fistmy.co, they have different numerous of template where you can use to create all your ebook. So let me go back so that I can show you where I start. So now this is Fistmy. This is fistmy.co. The moment you get registered on fistmy.co, there are numerous templates on this particular website that you can use to create your ebook. You can see all these are ebooks that you can undo and edit. If you have your write-up already, you can easily undo any of this book. Like now, maybe I want to talk on social media. My book is on social media. I'll just click on social media. They will bring out the book that was talking about social media. You can see it now. They bring out all these things that you can see it now. They are bringing out different type of book that people have written. You can easily edit it, change the covers of the book and put your pictures. Okay, let me click on one of the book and let's see all it happen. This one, Happy Father's Day. I don't need this one. Okay, back to school for instance. Let's check this one. Let's check what is happening in this. Let's click on document. This is A4 size of ebook. Just click on it. You can see this one, step by step guide. You can see this one. You can edit this one. Let me click on preview. You can click on preview. You can see the book. You can see the page 1. You can see the page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6. You can see numerous pages like that. If you want to use this template, just click on it. Click on use this template, and you can see it's loading. Within a couple of minutes it will load and you can see it out. While it's loading, let's go back to another one that I'm going to show. Okay, it's already showing now. This is it now. You can see the ebook. You can zoom it out. You can change the pictures. You can change the pictures. You can see it now. You can remove the pictures. You can decide that you want to change it. You can find another picture. You can see pictures here. You can upload pictures. You can see there are numerous pictures here. You may decide that you want to use this one. What you do, you just bring it here. You play the selected image. So to replace the image, you can change the text of the book cover. You can change the color. I may decide that I don't want this color. So now I may decide that I want another color. You just do what you change the color. You can see you can change the color. You can change the color to whatever you want. You can change this content. So these are books. These are free ebooks template that have been created on this myfistme.com. They have been created. You can edit them. You can add new page. You can do many effects on your book. You can change the font size. Another thing I'm going to show you today is Jasper.ai. This is Jasper.ai. You can create ebook on Jasper.ai. I'm going to drop the link under the comments, under the description of this video, so that you guys can try it out and create your ebook within a couple of minutes. And now, how did you create ebooks on Jasper? So number one, there are 10 steps you need to follow on Jasper.ai. So brainstorm your topic with the AI. You give the company name, the name of the product description, the audience, the tone of the voice example. You give out all those things after you have signed up on this particular tutorial. You make a research. With this AI, you are going to make a research. Then you bring a brief. If you are talking about digital marketing, you give them a brief of what you are talking about. Then another thing is that they will generate an outline for your book. They will write a rough draft. You can see you can publish your book on Amazon. You can see it now. Also, this is a very good AI platform whereby you can generate a book. You will edit your book. They will source out image. They will design cover for you. They will format the book, and you can publish the book. So what you do is that you could just click on free trial and try it out. See how Jasper.ai work, so that you can know how you can create your ebook on this particular platform. So now let's see how Jasper.ai work. So it's loading. You will need to sign up with your Gmail account. Let us not forget that this AI, they give free package. After the free package, if you want more of their plan, you need to subscribe. You need to buy their pro plan. So I'm still also going to show us another platform whereby you can create a ebook for free. So while it's loading, let me go to the second one. Let me go to the second one. The second one I'm going to show you today is, what is it? Is Ebook Maker. Ebook Maker.ai. This is another one powerful AI that I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you the magic of this AI. Why Jasper.ai is loading. Let's see this one. Wow, this is one of the websites that will create ebook for you. But the major thing about this platform is that they only create ebook. They create ebook for you when you buy credit on their platform. For instance, when I create ebook on this platform, I have one credit. Let me log in so that people can see what I'm talking about. I have an account with them already. Wow, this is my account. I will just go to this place. I will go to books. I will go to this place. You see my book. I create a book called Digital Dynamo, a comprehensive guide to mastering the art of digital marketing. This is the book I created with them. What I did, I just give them, when I sign it, I just give them the name of the author, and I click on next. I put the informative. I click it. I put the ebook title. You can click on this place. They will generate the description of the book for you, and then you click on next. They will generate the book automatically for you. You can see credit. I'm not having credit now. By the time I'm testing this app, I have one credit, so I was able to generate one ebook. You can see it now. Let me click on the ebook so that you guys can see it now. Wow, this is the book I generated. You can see it now. I have about 6 chapters of this book. Let me click on the book so that we can see it now. You can see it now. This chapter, what is this outline of the book? This is an ebook. They have designed everything. This AI will design the book for you. Everything you need to just give them the title of your book, the name of the author. Every other thing will be done by them. You can see it now. You can see chapter 1. You can see chapter, all this one as chapter 1. You can see all this one as chapter 1. You can see chapter 2 from here. You can see it now. You can see it now. I have about, they gave me about 6 chapters for, they gave me about 6 chapters for the one credit that I have. So I have about 41 pages for the free trial that I did. And you can see now your ebook can come as an audio file. So which means your ebook, you can easily, people can read your ebook. You can upload it as a podcast. Let me play it. See it.
Chapter 1, Introduction to Digital Marketing 1.1, The Importance of Digital Marketing in Today's Fast-Paced and Ever-Evolving Digital Landscape. The importance of digital marketing cannot be overstated. With the rise of social media, search engine optimization,
Wow. So I love this AI because you can easily download your ebook as an audio file. So you just click on the three dots here and download your ebook. So that's one of the wonderful things about this thing. Now, how can you subscribe? You go to your, if you want to buy credit, you come here because they have a plan. If you want to buy credit on this particular platform that I can be using, you can use it to create numerous books. You can see starter for monthly. You pay $19, that's or $19.9, that's almost $20. You get 10 free credit to create numerous books that you want to create. If you are a creator, you want to be creating book consistently, you can use this plan. So I'm just showing you how this thing works, that you can use it to create your ebook and upload it to your Amazon on seller.co. You can see this is seller. You can upload your book on seller. You can make money by using your Facebook advert, Instagram, or your social media page, your WhatsApp, and make your cool cash with this thing. Just create your ebook. Now let's go back to Jasper. Let's see what happened to Jasper. Let me sign it back to Jasper and see how Jasper work. And I'm going to show you the last free platform whereby you can create your ebook, design your ebook, create the ebook cover after we have signed up with Jasper.ai on this particular platform. Yeah, Jasper is loading. Now you can say welcome to Jasper. Now welcome, this is my name. What is your role? You select your role. Let me say marketing. What industry? Let me say technology. And what side of company? I don't need all these ones, but just find something and fill. uh, skip survey. You can skip the survey and go ahead. Now you can see it now. This place, they are telling you to pay money, but I'm going to start with just the free trial. I'm not paying money on this Jasper.ai. They want us to pay money. I want to use okay, Jasper. They will collect your card details before you can proceed on this particular platform. You need to put in your card detail. But this is all about Jasper. The last one I'm going to show you today is ChatGPT that we all know about. You can easily create ebook with ChatGPT. For instance, I want to write a book about Facebook ad. I can tell this ChatGPT to write a book about Facebook marketing. I want to write I want to write a book, an ebook about Facebook marketing. Please create a good outline for me. So now we can see ChatGPT will write all these things for us about Facebook marketing. Now I just want to create a Facebook market in an ebook about Facebook marketing. Don't forget this one is free. You can easily create it. Now this is a content from ChatGPT. So you have the chapter 1, you have the chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 6, chapter 7, chapter 8, chapter 9, and the conclusion part. So what you do is that you use your Microsoft Word. You just click the first one. Okay, write the introduction section. Write the introduction section. Let me say in 3,000 words, for instance. Let's see what ChatGPT will write in the couple of minutes. You can see it now. You can see it is really writing for us. It's really writing for us. Wow. So this is our introduction section, and don't forget this AI. After you have copied your work into Microsoft Word, you need to re-edit it as an human. You need to retouch it before you publish it on any platform. Let me try and open Microsoft Word and paste it there so that we can see what I'm talking about, so that we can know how we can use this AI. The next thing do you do also about the second section, you told ChatGPT to write the chapter 1 section in 3,000 words, 2,000 words. It depends on what you are doing or your target is about. But I'm telling you that I've read more than 100 pages with this ChatGPT, and it is without plagiarism, and I upload it on platform that I want to upload it. You guys should try it out. If you love this ebookmaker.ai, you have to make payment on this platform to enjoy the benefit. But I encourage you guys to try this particular platform. I have tried that and it's working for me. So now you click on blank page. When you open the Word document, you want to paste our work from ChatGPT. So this is my chapter 1. In this, the introduction of the book. I'll just come here, I'll just paste it and edit it. Just paste your work. You just paste it. What is the work? You paste it and edit it on Microsoft Word. I can decide to change the font. I like using Tiny Roman. Depending on the font that you like using, I will use 12 points. I will use 12 font size. I will use. I want to make it. I will use 1.5 in the font space. I will use 1.4, 1.5. I'll just give it 1.5. So now you can see now this is our content. This is the introduction section of this book. So what you need to do now is to edit all your book. You edit section by section so that you don't make mistake. Edit the introduction section. You give it a more touch of editing. You give it a more touch of editing. You can see the introduction section. You edit it. The part of Facebook marketing, everything you edit one after the other. So this one is a free package. Or if you want to use the ebook, you can see if you want to use this ebook maker.ai, this one is free, but you are going to make a payment. Just give them your topic, the author name, and go ahead and create your book. So this is how you'll be doing one after the other. The last thing I'm going to show you in this particular tutorial, that after you have designed your book, how do you create a cover book? You can create a book cover from Canva. You can create a book cover from Canva. Let's go to Canva. Let me show you before I round up with this tutorial. You go to Canva. You register Canva with your Gmail account, and you can create ebook with Canva. So let me show you how you can use Canva to create ebook and publish it online and make your cool money. So now I'm on Canva now. I'm just going to search for ebook cover. There are numerous templates in this particular platform that you can use. You just search for ebook cover. You can see ebook cover. Just search for ebook cover. Search for ebook cover. So now we are going to see many ebook cover in this particular place. You can see now there are many ebook cover. You can see this is one, this is one, this is one. Depends on what you are looking for. You can click on any of these books. You can see this one. I like this one. Depends on what you are doing. You can see this one. You may decide to pick this one. You may decide to pick any of this. You may decide to pick this. I'll just click on it. You edit it. Just click on it. I'm using Canva Pro. They are using free plan. There are also free templates that they are going to show you on Canva. Now, once you are done with your editing, of this book cover, you download it, upload your book, package your book to wherever you want to use it. And now this is the book. I may decided to change the cover here. Change the color of this place. I don't like this color, for instance. Let me show I want to use another color. I decided to use this color. You can see it now. So you can easily edit or create ebook cover with Canva. You can see it now. You can change this one. Let me change it to you can see it now. You may decide to change it. I may decide to use this one. Wow. You can see it now. So you put your name. Let me say my name is Adebayo Abiodun Johnson. So now you can put your name. I'll just write secret of digital marketing. Secret of Facebook marketing. So for instance, this is the title of our book. You just edit it, delete this one. Okay, Ctrl Z. So you guys have seen it now. You can change the color of this text too. You can change the color. I'm decided to use this one. I may change the font size, the font style. Okay, let me use this one. Okay, our ebook cover is ready now. You can easily download it now. Just download it, click on download. Download it as JPEG. You can see it now. Increase the size. No, download as JPEG. Increase the quality size so that the book will be sharp. Just download your book. This is how to create ebook cover. So you guys have told you how to create an ebook for free with ChatGPT, how to use the ebook AI, and how to use Fizme to generate to edit your ebook. You can see now then I show you Fizme. There are many ebook templates. Once you have your AI content, maybe you have your content with ChatGPT, you can easily bring it to display one after the other and edit it, add many pages as you want, and then you download your book and publish it out. So you guys, this is how to create your ebook in 2024 for free without using any dime, without paying any dime. You guys should try it out. Comment in the comment section. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that other people that may need this tutorial will also see it. When you turn on the notification button and share this content, people that also need this kind of tutorial, they will see it. I assure you guys that you can make money with this stuff that I'm showing you on this particular channel. All right, see you guys next time.